Today is 7th of April 2020 and we have an activity for today, that is multiplication table of 5. We are going to design a wall clock to study table of 5. Hi everyone, today our activity is to make a wall clock using these materials. You'll be needing a paper plate, or you can use a paper. You need few paints, paint brushes. If you don't have them, you can use colored pencils or colored markers. Take some straws and the common pins. You have to mark lines on each of the plate like this, one line at the bottom and one line at the top, then two lines like this, one at the right and the other at the left, opposite to each other. I have marked the lines on two types of plates. Now you have to mark two more lines in the middle of these two brown lines. Can you see? Similarly, in all these places between these brown lines, we are going to mark two pink lines. We have written down our numbers starting from 1 and ending up to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Between two numbers, there are 4 lines. You have to make 4 lines between all the numbers. Now these numbers represent the hours of the wall clock. Now we will write the minutes. Our 0 minute starts from this number, so we will write 0 over here. Then we'll count from this number to this biggest number. Let's count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how many minutes? 5. After this, let's count from this line till the next big line. It was 5. What comes after 5? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. Right here, it's better. Okay. We'll erase that afterwards, okay? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So you can either write 0 or this is your last minute, that is 60. Now we'll be needing some straws. We are going to cut them from the middle. One side should be big and the other should be small. I have attached both the straws with a common pin and placed a sponge at the back to secure the sharp end of the needles. You can either just cut a piece and put it at the back. I've put the whole sponge to balance my wall clock. Now we can study our times table of 5 easily through this wall clock. Let's say 2 multiplied by 5. What is 2 multiplied by 5? I will push my small needle towards 2 and I want my answer. What will be 2 multiplied by 5? It will be 10. Okay, so what will be 8 multiplied by 5? I am multiplying by 5 because I am having 5 digits before each number. So let's say 5 multiplied by 8. We move our small needle towards 8. And what will be your answer? 5 multiplied by 8. You move it also at the same place. It is 40. Now 10 multiplied by 5. It will be 50. Okay, and 1 multiplied by 5. It will be 5. So this is the simplest way to make your wall clock. You have to color your paper plate first, then you will label the numbers, use the straws according to your choice, and then attach them with a common pin.